Now we have examples that have the variables inside of the matrices, and we have these two matrices that are equal to each other. So when two matrices are equal, their elements that are in the same position are also equal. For example, 4c is equal to 2c plus 5. So we can set up an equation with those expressions and solve for our variable c. So now we can subtract 2c and then divide by 2. So c is 5 over 2, or 2.5. Then again, in the same position, we have 2 minus d equal to 4d. I can add d to both sides, so we have 2 equal to 5d, and divide by 5, so d is 2 over 5. I don't see any other variables on the left side, so let's look at the right, see if there's anything that we're missing. G, here's g. That's the top right element in the first row, third column, so that's going to be equal to 5. This one we don't have to solve anything because g is already by itself. Then we have h is equal to -1. Again, nothing more to solve, that one's already there. Then we have f minus g, which we already know is 5, equal to 2. So I'm going to put f minus 5 equals 2. Add 5 to both sides, so f is 7. Now notice here we have another c. If you want, you could have used this element instead of the one in the top left. Let's just check and make sure that we have the right value though. So this one would say, okay, -4c is equal to -10. Divide by -4. You get 10 over 4, which reduces to 5 over 2, which is the exact same value of c that we got earlier. So you could have used either one, and you should still get the same answer. Let's look at another one like this. I see two variables. I see an x and a y. So this top left corner, the first row, first column, x squared is equal to 9. Then when we take the square root of both sides, x is equal to plus or minus 3, the square root of 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, and -3 times -3 is 9, so plus or minus 3. Then we have 4y equal to 16, so then y here is 4, and we have found our variables.